this is about the holy name, some realization I had. That we must always chant the holy name, either consciously or mentally, no matter what we're doing. We have to search out for the holy name, because due to different circumstances and different engagements, we get separated and lost from the holy name as we move through our daily activities. As our heart is always beating in the background, but we're only aware of its sound when we're in a quiet place, perhaps at night before we sleep, while lying in bed, we can hear the sound of our heart. But our heart is always beating in the background, even though we can't hear it. If it stops beating, we're dead. If the heart stops beating. So similarly, the holy name should always be vibrating in the background of our hearts and mind. And in the background of our mind, even while we're doing so many different activities. While we're chanting japa on the beads, we have to tie down Krishna. While we're chanting japa with the beads, we tie down Krishna with the rope of our mala. The mala becomes like a rope, like Damodar, and we can tie down Krishna. We have him, he's there. Oh, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. He's there, he's in front of us. He's in the foreground. We haven't lost him, he's with us. Hare Krishna, and we tie him down with our mala. But when we finished our chanting, our Sankhya Jap, our counting is finished, then we set down our beads, and we tend to lose connection with the holy name. We become separated from him. We become separated from the holy name. He seems to evaporate in the ethers of forgetfulness. But it should not be like this. We should not forget the holy name. We must repeatedly search for him during the day. We must look for him and search for him by chanting softly or mentally during our different daily duties and chores. We can ask ourselves at different times of the day, "Oh, holy name, where are you? Where have you gone? I haven't chanted you for many minutes or hours. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Please forgive me for forgetting you. Please stay with me and don't run away. Please don't leave my mind or heart. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare." So that was small. I write down these things.